Kami.
Thank you. This is our project, guys. So beautiful with El Primo. Sana. Hi guys, ito yung area namin ng aming proyekto. Ganda, diba? Yun na. Ayan guys, Dubai Opera yan, famous yan. Lea Salonga, dyan siya nag-perform. Yan, ang ganda. Greenery area. Yan o, meron tayong tinatawag ditong barbecue area. Be careful ya, Pandia.